copy of the charges framed have now been handed over to Tarun Tejpal. That's the latest we are breaking to you. Now, clearly, the framing of the charges has taken place despite all attempts made by Tarun Tejpal's lawyers to defer that process. Now, we are getting the latest updates from the Mapusa court. We have our legal correspondent also deployed to get us the latest information. As of now, what we hear is that the judges have asked Tarun Tejpal to file a plea. A copy of the charges have been handed over to him. So this is an important part of the process before the trial commences. So now all eyes will be on whether the trial in this case will commence very shortly. The judges have refused to defer the hearing, and the judges have asked Tarun Tejpal to file a plea. Earlier, remember, Tarun Tejpal's lawyers had cited the case of High Court having seized the matter as a reason why the framing of charges should be deferred. Bhavtosh has more information on this. Yes, Bhavtosh.
Well, in fact, the charge sheet in this case was filed under various sections of sexual harassment, including that of rape. If I can just go through under sections in which the case was filed, it was 341, 342, which is wrongful confinement, 376, Part 2F, which is against rape, and also Section 354, which is molestation. The basic case of the Goa police was that Think Festival was organized from 7th November 2013 till 11th November, and on two occasions, the woman journalist who was present there, she was sexually assaulted by Tarun Tejpal. And then there were a series of emails which were leaked in the media. These were emails written by the woman journalist to the then managing editor Shoma Chaudhary, and also some mails which were written by Tarun Tejpal to Shoma Chaudhary, which subsequently got leaked. It was on basis of these leaked emails and media reports that the Goa police started the investigation, and on 23rd November they filed an FIR under various sections that we have mentioned, basically of sexual harassment, molestation and sexual assault. Once an FIR was filed, then there was this cat and mouse chase between Goa police and Tarun Tejpal, and finally on 30th November he went to Goa, in fact landed there, and he was denied an anticipatory bail and then arrested and sent to police custody. He remained in judicial custody for 6 months and was granted regular bail by the Supreme Court. At various stages, the Supreme Court had always said that the trial in this case should be disposed of as fast as possible. But delaying tactics was used by Tarun Tejpal and his legal team and friends. They questioned the charge sheet that was filed. They called this case as a political vendetta by BJP because of a series of articles that were published in Tehelka regarding Gujarat fake encounters and also Gujarat riots. The Goa police always maintained that they went through the complaint of the woman journalist, and this has nothing to do with politics in Goa, and stand that was taken by Tehelka. Then there was a question about the entire CCTV footage. Tejpal questioned the CCTV footage. They said that it has been sliced up, and it has been that there has been several cuts, and it is an edited CCTV footage. This thing again went to Supreme Court, and it's because of these very reasons why even after 4 years you only have seen framing of charges in this case. Tarun Tejpal has always maintained his innocence, whereas woman journalist has always said that she is a victim of sexual assault, and it was because of
Bhavtosh, I'm
influence and
interrupting
cloud.
you here. I'm told we have Tarun Tejpal's lawyer Ramesh Sharma live with us. Mr. Ramesh Sharma, big blow to Tarun Tejpal today. We are told a copy of charges have been handed over to him. What is your reaction to this latest news?
See, it's no blow. Framing of charges is inconsequential till the time matter is pending before the High Court. High Court has directed the trial court not to proceed with trial till the disposal of a revision petition in the High Court, which is listed on 1st of November.
Right, but at the moment we are told that the framing of charges has already taken place, and the judges have asked Tarun Tejpal to now file a plea. So, of course, now the next step should be the trial should commence.
No, there's a High Court order which says the trial will not proceed till the time High Court disposes of Tarun Tejpal's revision petition.
Right. What is the next legal remedy that you think you have? Because, you know, it was very evident that you were trying to get a deferment to the process of framing of charges. Since you could not get a discharge, the best recourse for you was to delay the process. But it doesn't seem like the judges have... Yeah, the judges have not upheld that.
See, we asked for deferment of charges because there is a stay on the trial by the High Court. So, framing of charges will not mean anything, and we just wanted the trial court to postpone it because the framing of charges is inconsequential till the time the matter is pending before the High Court.
All right. So, are you trying to tell us that now it is the High Court that should take up the matter? Because we are hearing inputs that the lawyers, including yourself, are trying your best to have the local court out of the picture.
Correct. Correct. The High Court, the High Court is hearing the matter on 1st of November.
Yes. Right. Okay. You know, the framing of charges also has taken a very long time, Mr. Sharma, because that is the part which we are questioning, that there has been an inordinate delay. And even now we see that there are delaying tactics being
delay
employed.
Whatever here in this case, madam, please understand this. The delay, whatever has occurred in this matter is attributable to the prosecution. It's the prosecution who didn't collect the documents which are relevant for the trial for good 3 years. The Supreme Court.
We are told, Mr. Sharma, that 376 has been applied. Let's break that information to our viewers first. Well, there you have it on your screens at the moment. Tarun Tejpal charged for rape. Section 376 has been applied to Tarun Tejpal in this case.